Have you ever wondered why some people work their whole life but never get ahead? They wake up early, they work hard, yet somehow they're always broke. And here's the scary truth. And most people will stay broke forever. Not because they're lazy, but because of habits they don't even realize they have. Today, I'll show you exactly why and how you can escape it. Step 1. Broke mindset. First reason, most people think broke. They believe money is hard to get. They believe rich people are lucky. They believe they'll never be wealthy, so they don't even try. Your mind controls your money. If you think like someone who's broke, you'll act like someone who's broke, and your life will match it. Step 2. Spending everything. Second reason, people spend everything they earn. The moment money comes in, it goes right back out. New clothes, new gadgets, eating out every day. They reward themselves now and sacrifice their future. Rich people save and invest first. Broke people spend first. Step 3. No financial education. Third reason, nobody teaches money. Schools teach history. Schools teach math. But they never teach how to budget, how to invest, how to grow money. So people grow up working for money, instead of learning how money works for them. Step 4. Fear of risk, fear of failing, fear of trying something new, fear of losing money. So they stay in the same job, same habits, same life. But growth only happens outside comfort zones. Step 5. Surroundings. You become like the people around you. If your friends complain, waste money, and avoid growth, you'll do the same. But if you surround yourself with people who save, learn, and build, you'll level up fast. Solution. So how do you break free? Change your mindset. Spend less than you earn. Learn about money. Take smart risks. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. You don't need to be rich today. You just need to start thinking different today. Because the moment you do, your life will never be the same. Subscribe for more money, mindset videos, and comment free if you're ready to escape being broke.